Okay, we got a train coming. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually kind of cold, so I'm gonna put that down, and I'm gonna put on like a glove. Hopefully this will be better. So yeah, I heard this. I was outside just a couple minutes ago. Heard this train coming. Yeah, I just like come here and film it. Yeah. And it's still kind of far, I guess. Like I heard this thing for a good like 5 to 10 minutes already. And I assumed it was approaching because usually when you think like around here, this is like either like 221, 421, or 420. One of those two trains that come on up this way. This is like a very, so if you don't know, this is like a really common route. Like, it's like an everyday thing. It doesn't matter how many cars there are. And I'm kind of worried this thing's gonna be like really sharp enough. I can't really see anything, to be honest. And you got a vehicle coming this way. So hopefully I don't get like any comments that are like, what the hell? What the heck? I don't even know. No comments. What? There's a dog. Okay, what is this thing? Is this thing actually gonna come? Just be like, this is the train that never came. I've done a video like that before. The train that never came. Okay, that truck is stopping at the cross. Look at it good. A little walk. Go for a little bit of a wander because I'm kind of curious. I don't know if this thing is actually coming or not. I feel like this thing would come, but it came already. So that train is... So like the truck is moving. So we're just gonna walk. 29 minutes of camera footage on this thing, so they'll go. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. I wonder how long this thing's gonna be. It's also Family Day, so I wasn't since it is a holiday. Like Family Day is a holiday here in Canada, so I was kind of assuming that like there would be like, I don't know, less trains, but it doesn't really apply. But I guess I don't think it applies when this holiday is, except maybe like Christmas and like, I was gonna say Easter, but really, maybe like Christmas and New Year's, maybe Thanksgiving. I don't know, because I remember a couple years ago I was going to do a course in Saskatoon, a Red Cross course in Saskatoon for teaching swimming lessons actually, and like I remember there's we passed a CP tanker train on the way, so something interesting to note there. So, yeah. Wonder how long this thing is gonna be. Watch it only be a couple cars. And it's like, this is like, it doesn't really matter. Usually these trains aren't that long either, anyways. Like, good couple cars. It's not like main line or anything. He waved at me. I feel like just by looking at the lumber, there's nothing else after it. And it's kind of a waste of time. And yeah, there is nothing. There's literally nothing. Literally nothing after these cars. But that's still a train, I guess. Yeah, there's the end of the train. Probably gonna go for a longer walk after this. I don't even know when I'm gonna post this, because like, it'll probably be the same. Now I'm kind of worried about these outlet trains at the moment, because I'm kind of worried that there's supposedly, I saw on the news today that there are plans for like CN Rail and CP Kansas City Limited, Canadian Pacific Kansas City Limited. Those two networks, the two biggest in the country, the Canadian Pacific, Canadian National, two biggest in the country. There was talks that there would be like strikes, strikes. Now, like, it doesn't look like they're coming for a while. Probably, like they said, if there were to be strikes, it'd be like May. I'm also kind of worried about Eiffel Tower because they went on strike. The people who work for the Eiffel Tower are on strike. But yeah, I'm gonna. I don't know where to walk. But yeah, pretty interesting. Now, and I do want to just say, a very tragic fire in Davidson, and I saw today. 5 people died. That's really depressing. And 3 children, 2 seniors. It's a really sucky situation. It's really sad for the community. It's in my heart and that community. Now I haven't gone to that community a lot, but I know it's like right on the number 11. And so yeah, I used to live in a town that's right on the number 11. And I went to school. That's on the number 11. London. But haven't gone there in a while. Mind you though, that was like real. When I went there, it was like a really depressing trip. Last time I went there, so it was like it's like all the lawns are kind of not kept well. Like, honestly, I just watched the Cone of Gas movie the other day, and it kind of reminds me of that. But yeah. Either way, yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna post this. Probably sometime this week. I'm not sure. And then when it comes to like Survivor, like, and I know that Survivor 46 is starting next week. I'm not as excited though. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do about some of these shows. Australian Survivor and the Australian Survivor Titans vs. Rebels. I'm actually really enjoying Titans vs. Rebels. It's a really, really fun season. Yeah. I think it's a really, really good season. And like I really enjoyed like Heroes vs. Villains. And I'm thinking about doing maybe like comparison videos from Australian Survivor and Survivor US. Some on the beach. But yeah, honestly, like I do if I do that video, I will probably be more pro on Australian Survivor at the moment than I am on Survivor. And yeah, yesterday's episode for Australian Survivor, or episode 10, so clearly production set it up because they wanted to recreate episode 7, which is ridiculous. It's kind of funny. It's kind of like Charles got completely screwed over. But I could tell that he was going home. I also kind of figured that there was going to be an elimination this week, and there was. So that's something. Now I do know in terms of coverage for these shows, Survivor 46, Tiger vs. Rebels. I'm probably just going to do reviews for them. And maybe if I make these change videos or whatever, maybe I'll talk a little bit about them. Or if I ever do a live stream again, I'll talk about them for a bit there. I'm not sure. Yeah, very situation. But yeah, either way, I might be ending the video here, so, because obviously the train's gone now. There you go. I like talking, and whenever I go on walks, I talk to myself. Oh. I just saw something dead in the ditch. I'll show you. That was kind of working. I don't know if it might be a cat. That's if it's a cat. I'm really sorry. Yeah, but either way, we're gonna end it here. And yeah, I do want to mention something. I'm thinking we'll do like a series where I made this like reality TV Millennium Review, do some quizzes, reality TV quizzes. I'm thinking about running through these quizzes on videos and stuff, because and there's like a bunch of them. It's like 15, 16, 17 now. So I'm thinking about doing videos on those. I'm doing more, so. Yeah, and yeah. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I mentioned No Deal Island, but if I'm gonna do a video, if I do anything for that, it will be a review at the end of the season. But if I really enjoy the season, I'll probably definitely do a video. But if I don't really care for it, then I'll probably do a video. And the only reason I'm watching it is because Boston Rob's on the season. So, I also watched Boston Rob's interview with RGP today, so that's cool. Yeah, in terms of other things, EGT Fantasy. I'm gonna do a review of that, I guess, at some point. And I know for these other shows. Yep. No. Okay, yep. Wonderful. Either way, I'm gonna end it here. So. A good point for me to end. So, yeah, that's our video. That's the video. Thank you for watching.